Dear viewers, you are watching LMR channel and I am Malik Akil. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I have selected 3 points and those are: first point is why the YouTube detect our views and watch time, and the second point is why our watch time and views are decreased, and the third point I will discuss with you people is that how we can avoid from deduction of views and watch time, how we can avoid from decreasing of watch time and views. Viewers, now I will try my best to make you understand these three points. Viewers, there are two concepts, those are related to these 3 points. One is physical address and the second is IP address. What is physical address? Physical address is manufacturer address. It is built in. It cannot be changed. It is assigned only one time when the device is going to under a process of manufacturing. From device, I mean the laptop you are using. From device, I mean the mobile that you are using. All these devices are assigned a single unique address during the manufacturing, and that is physical address. This address cannot be changed. This address is very similar to like a vehicle, vehicles whose engine number is assigned a unique address during the manufacturing, and though that engine number cannot be changed. Like that, this address, physical address that is assigned to this device cannot be changed. And the second concept that is related to these 2 points is IP address. IP address is also a unique address. The similarities between these two concepts is that both these addresses are unique. IP address is also unique, physical address is also unique. The difference between these two address: IP address is assigned in internet environment. In internet environment, every device is connected to each other like a family, and this device is assigned a unique address. The difference between these two address, physical and IP address, is that IP address can be changed but the physical address cannot be changed. Whenever you connect your device with the internet, it is assigned a different IP address. This IP address remains same during only one session. When you are using the internet, you are using a internet session, and during this session you are assigned a single IP address. For this session, this IP address remains same. Now I come to my point, that is why the YouTube detect our watch time and the views. When your video is viewed by the viewers uh, on a single IP address and the single physical address during 30 seconds, it is pure watch time, it is pure view. This views and watch time cannot be deducted. When the same viewer view again your video on this IP address and the same physical address, this view is not calculated and this watch time is not calculated, but you can make it calculated. How you can make it calculated? If you close this browser, if you are using this Chrome, then close this Chrome. If you are using Firefox, close this Firefox and generate another. You can generate easily another Firefox and Chrome. In Firefox, on the right top corner, you can see a new private window. You can easily open this, and also in a Chrome you can add another Chrome. So dear viewers, please make it clear that YouTube does not detect pure watch time and pure views. Now, which watch time and view is deducted? And that is when you create multiple Chrome, when you create multiple Mozilla Firefox, and from these multiple Chrome and Firefox, you try to get watch time from the same IP and same physical address. These views and watch time are calculated after the YouTube algorithm manipulate and gathers all these watch time and views together, and during this process watch time and views are deducted. So YouTube algorithm detect which watch time and view, that watch time and views that is obtained from multiple Chrome and multiple Firefox on a single same IP and same physical address. That watch time and views is detected. Now, how we can avoid from this, viewers? You can easily avoid from this, and how the multiple Chrome, those multiple Chromes and those multiple Firefox you have created in setting, go to the setting and then clear all this history of these Chrome, delete all the cookies of these Chromes and Firefox. Now again run all these Firefox and Chrome, you will get again a pure watch time and views. Can be repeated multiple times to get pure watch time and pure views. Now I come to the second point, and that is why the watch time and view is decreasing. This point is basically related to our checking. In fact, we are making a mistake in checking the watch time and views of our channel. Actually, YouTube Studio is by default watching our views and watch time for 28 days. We can change this option in 7 days, 28 days, and lifetime and 365 days. We can easily change. Viewers, basically decreasing of watch time and view is basically related to our checking. We can make it correct by changing the option of days. If you think that views and watch time is deducted, these deduction is related to first point. These deduction of watch time and views is basically related to first point. Those views and watch time is deducted that you obtained from the same IP and same physical address by generating the multiple Chrome or multiple Mozilla. That IP that watch time and views is deducted. Dear viewers, I hope all of you are clear about all these 3 points. Please comment on my video. See you with the next bombastic video. Pakistan Zindabad.